welcome to this video on how to crochet this adorable cardigan with ruffle sleeves. This pattern is super easy to follow and you can easily join even if you are just a beginner crocheter. So let's get started. For this project we will need 2 skeins of yarn and I am using this Mayflower Cotton Merino in color number 11. We will also need a 3.5mm crochet hook, some scissors and a darning needle, and at last 3 buttons that measure 20mm in diameter. I will start by making a slip knot and 59 chains. When I have made all my 59 chains, I will start my first row by skipping the first stitch from the hook and make a double crochet into the second chain from the hook. And I will make a double crochet into the next 8 chains. Into the next chain, I will start by making 2 double crochet. Then I will make a chain, and again I will make 2 double crochet into the same stitch. I will now make a double crochet into the next 9 chains. And into the next chain I will again make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet, all into the same chain. I will now make a double crochet into the next 18 chains. And into the next chain I will again make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet into the same stitch. And I will make 1 double crochet into the next 9 chains. And into the next chain I will again make 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet, all into the same stitch. And I will make 1 double crochet into the last 9 chains. I am now done with my first row, and as you can see I have created a small square. And here in the front is where I'm going to have my 2 front pieces. Here on the sides is where I'm going to have my sleeves. And here is my back piece. To start my second round, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And I'm now going to make a double crochet into the first 11 stitches. I have now reached the first corner of my square, and into the chain space that you can see right here, I'm going to make 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet. I will now make a double crochet into the next 13 stitches. And into the next chain space here, I am going to make 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet. I will now make a double crochet into the next 22 stitches. And here into the corner where I have my chain space, I will again make 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet into the same chain space. And next I will make a double crochet into the next 13 stitches. And one last time I will make 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet into the chain space into the corner. And at last I will make a double crochet into the last 11 stitches. And here is what my work looks like when I have made my first 2 rows. I can now just continue in this way till I have a total of 8 rows with increases in each corner, where I have 2 double crochet, a chain and 2 double crochet in each chain space in the corner. And to start the next row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And in the written pattern on my website, you can see exactly how many stitches you will need between each corner. I have now made all of my 8 rows and my increasing rows are now done. I will now need to shape my cardigan and divide it here by the sleeves. So to start row 9, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work, and I will now make a double crochet in the next 25 stitches. And here into the corner, I'm going to make 1 double crochet into the chain space. And next I will make 3 chains. And next I will skip the next 41 stitches and make a double crochet into the next chain space. And I have now created my first armhole. I will now make a double crochet into the next 50 stitches. And again I will make a double crochet into the next chain space. I will now make my second armhole, and therefore I'm going to chain 3 and skip the next 41 stitches. And here into my next chain space I'm going to make a double crochet. And at last I will make a double crochet into the last 25 stitches. And to start my next row, I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And for row 10 to row 26, I'm just going to make a double crochet in every stitch all the way across. I have now finished my 26th row, and I have 17 rows here from the armhole and down to the hem of my cardigan. And I am now ready to fasten off my yarn. I am now going to make a very nice border here in the opening of my cardigan and at the same time make my buttonholes. And so I'm going to attach my yarn here at the bottom. And I'm now going to make a row of single crochet all the way up to the neckline of my cardigan. And I will have to make 2 single crochet into the side of each double crochet. And here at the end of the row, I'm going to chain 3, turn my work, and I'm going to skip the first 3 stitches and make a single crochet into the 4th stitch. This is going to create my first buttonhole. And I'm now going to make a single crochet into the next 6 stitches. And next I'm going to make my second buttonhole by making 3 chains and skip the next 3 stitches. And I will make a single crochet into the next stitch. And I will again make a single crochet into the next 6 stitches. And one last time I will chain 3, skip 3, and make a single crochet into the rest of the stitches of the row. And I will fasten off my yarn. And I will now attach my yarn to the opposite side of the opening in my cardigan. And here I will again make a row of single crochet. And I will make 2 more rows of single crochet here in the opening of my cardigan. I will now make a very nice border of single crochet all the way around the edge of my cardigan, and here into the corner I will make 2 single crochet. When I reach my buttonholes, I will make 3 single crochet directly down into the buttonhole. And to fasten off very nicely here, I am going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch of my border. And in the end I will fasten off my yarn. I am now completely done with the main part of my cardigan, and I am now going to make the ruffle sleeves. So I'm going to attach my yarn here into the 4th double crochet of the armhole. So I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to attach my yarn. And I'm now going to make a single crochet into the next 2 stitches. And next I'm going to make a half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And into the next stitch I'm going to make a double crochet. And next I'm going to make 2 double crochet into the next 23 stitches. So I'm going to make 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and I will do that 23 times. Into the next stitch I'm going to make a double crochet, and I'm going to make a half double crochet into the next 2. And into the next 2 stitches I will make a single crochet. And I will chain 1 and turn my work. And here in the second row of my sleeve I will again start with making 1 single crochet in the first 2 stitches. Then I will make a half double crochet into the next 2 stitches and a double crochet into the next. And into the next stitch I will make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch I will make 1 double crochet. And I will repeat that 23 times, alternating between 2 double crochet in the same stitch and 1 double crochet in the next. In the next stitch I will make a double crochet. In the next 2 I will make a half double crochet, and in the last 2 stitches I will make a single crochet. And I will chain 1 and turn my work. And the last thing that I need to do is to make a very nice edge on my sleeve by making a round of slip stitches all the way around the sleeve. And I will end with a slip stitch into the first stitch. And I will fasten off and make the other sleeve in exactly the same way. And the only thing left to do now is to sew in my buttons here on the front side of my cardigan. So I will just place my buttons precisely in front of my buttonholes on the opposite side and sew them in. And I will fasten off and sew in all of my ends. And that is how you make this very cute baby cardigan with ruffle sleeves. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see a lot more of these kinds of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I really hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.